Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa and today we are going to be doing the new MILANI foundation. So if you want to see how that performs, and well, I also got the primer too, and a few other things, then keep on. Okay, so the first thing I need to do is get my hair out of my face. And if you don't notice, my hair is a little bit darker. Was trying to dye it my regular hair color, and I got some brass in it that I got to get out. Hopefully, with a lot of purple shampoo, I'll get some of this brass out. We'll see. Okay. Slide my seat up. Okay, let's see here. The first thing that I have is the Rose Primer and Prep Hydrate. You can see that. It says it's a lightweight base. I should have wrote down how much it was. I might go back and look for you. Okay. I'm going to use, oh, I gotta open this. Okay. I'm going to use my Juno & Co sponge to put this on my face. I did dampen my sponge. Okay. We'll see how that works out. Let it dry just a minute. It feels a little sticky, maybe. Not much though. We'll have to see. And on top of that, I'm going to put the L'Oreal True Match Bloomy Glotion on top of it. It's a natural glow enhancer. Looks just like that. I saw Younique tutorials do this. That's why I'm doing it, because I wanted to see how it would look. How it would make everything look in the end. If it will be a little bit glowier or whatever. We're about to find out. Okie dokie. Now, we're going to try out this primer from MILANI. It is the Screen Queen Natural Finish Foundation. I've got the color 300. Ooh, I got deep beige. We'll see if it matches my neck. Hopefully it does. Let's try to use a brush this time, because I've been using sponges. I'll just put it on this brush. I hope I got the right color. What kind of coverage is this supposed to be? Oh, a natural finish, so it's not going to have it's not full coverage. We'll see if we can build it up. Now, I would say it's probably a medium coverage. But it's not expensive at all. And I'm going to look up the price and I'll put it on the screen for you guys. Okay. Now I'm going to hop off screen right quick to do my eyebrows. And I'll be right back. Okay. So the next thing that I'm going to do is my eyes. And for that I have the MILANI Luster Light Palette. And I will show it to you. It is new. It's one of the new palettes she has. I will put the price on the screen for you. Well, let's see what kind of look. Okay, I'm going to start with, that's funny, this color right here is Adulting. That is what we're doing today, Adulting. And I'm doing just a natural look today. We got a natural foundation on, so we'll do a natural look. Nothing too out there. Okay, I'm going to start trying to build that up with Long Rain in the crease. There is hardly any fallout in this palette, which is great. Okay. Let's get the outer edges of his eyes. We don't have no harsh lines. Blend them out. And on my lid, I'm going to do swagger. Now I need to get me a stippling little brush like this. I'm going to spray it with some Fix Plus. You can use water or anything else that you have around. Not wanting to come up. Let's see. I may not like these glitters looking things. I'm not in love with that. Let's see if like butter. Well, I'm getting hardly anything from these little pressed glitters or shimmer type things. The mattes are fine, but I can get this one to work, I think. Let's see if I can get it on the other eye. Maybe I'm doing something wrong, I don't know. But I tried Swagger, Sunday Funday, and Light Butter and could not get anything. But Glow Getter is working okay. Okay, that can be a bit. I'll just put some more Long Grain in the corner. Okay, I think that's going to be it for this eye look today. Just a really natural, low, glitzy, some kind of look. I'm going to put a little bit of Long Rain under my lash line. Under my lash line. I don't know what that is. Under my lower lash line, I guess is what I was trying to say. Okay. Now let's find some eyeliner. Okay. The one that I pulled out is the Kat Von D tattoo liner. If you haven't heard, I think somebody bought them out, bought Kat Von D, and it's going to be like KVD Cosmetics or something. I ain't even putting a concealer on. What am I doing? What are you doing? Okay, I've got this BOING Cakeless Concealer from the bakery. What shade is this? This is the number 1. And it's my first time trying it. This is a brand new concealer. So we're going to see how it works. Okay, now we got to sit that down with something. Okay, we're going to sit that down using Wet n Wild Color Icon bronzer. It's I think it was in the line Reserve Your Cabana number 473A. Make sure. Okay, I'm going to set the rest of my face using the Fit Me by Maybelline Matte and Poreless. I'm going to use this little brush. I got it from Tarte when it was on sale last week. We need some bronzer. And for that, we are going to use the Park Avenue Princess palette, which I know is my favorite. And use us a Smith brush. Now, I'm using Princess Cut and Angled Cut. Both are my colors. And again, this is bronzer, not contour. Okay, and for contour, I'm going to go with Crown. It's a little more shimmery. Let's go right here on the very end. And just go right in that one area. My hair's going everywhere. Okay. Now for blush. Do I have a blush in here? I have the new Wet n Wild Hello Halo. It comes with a blush and a highlight, but the blush is kind of really shimmery. We're going to try it. Let's see. Just to see how it works. It's really shimmery. It might be more of a like blush topper maybe, in my opinion, but that's just my opinion. I'll pull one out from my drawer. the Fit Me with a hair on it. What color? This is the color Blush, I think. No, it's in the color Rose, but it is a blush. Now I'm all rosed up. Now I do have a new highlight in MILANI, and this is the color Dolce Perla, and it's a baked highlighter. Okay, finally got that thing open. Now I need a brush. You can use this. It is powdery. I think well, it's just a subtle glow, I guess. Let me try the Wet n Wild one. Let's try the Wet n Wild. I think that's a little better. I'm glowing everywhere, but that's okay. Okay, I need to put some mascara on and some lips. I didn't put any lips out, so I don't know what color I'm using. Let me try this and see how it goes. I think I tried this in one of my other videos, like recently. Oh yeah. This is in the shade Prime Rose, and it's a Jouer product. What kind of? It's a whipped cream. Okay, let's get these eyes on, and then some setting spray. This mascara is Thrive, which is one of my favorites. I need to get some more so I can use some different ones. But the Thrive one is just like my favorite. And now some setting spray. I'm going to use the Power Up Setting Mist. And that is it for today. So if you don't mind, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you guys in the next one.